exam. These are the points here. While writing the exam, keep your mind fresh without any expectations. That is very, very important. Every student is going to exam with some expectation. This time I have to get 600 marks. This time I have to get 650 marks, like that. That is, and you should avoid that expectation. So once you are going to exam with expectation, there is a lot of pressure. There is a lot of pressure on you. So that will stop you from 3 to 3. But you cannot think freely. You cannot face the question freely. You cannot read the question freely. Okay, so first avoid expectations, but keep your mind fresh without any expectation. Okay, definitely you should have some expectation during the preparation. During the preparation, you should have some tension during the preparation, but should not have any tension or expectation during the exam. So everyone should know this point. Okay, so first you have to face the exam without any expectation. Okay, and next point, read the question completely. And some students read half of the question and they go to solve the question. But that may be known question to them, but there may be slight changes in the question. The paper setter may change the question in the last sentence or even a single value. So read the question carefully, completely. Okay, so after reading the question, you have to think which formula is suitable to the given problem. Okay, so while answering theory questions, so if it is an unknown question, use elimination method. Use elimination method to answer unknown questions. Try to answer unknown questions also. Use elimination method and try to find most unknown. Better to leave it because you get negative marks. Okay, so first try to go with elimination method. So after eliminating some options, you may get the answer. You may get the idea to solve the question. Okay, next answer the question based on your knowledge, concepts, but not on the guess. Don't guess the questions. Don't go with the luck factor. And if you know the knowledge, and if you know the question, if you know the concept, just apply that concept. So you should not go with the luck factor because negative marking is there in the NEET exam. And if you answer that unknown question and lose one negative mark, that may affect your rank a lot. Even 1 mark change your rank a lot. Okay, so going to next phase. Here, while answering the questions, yes, use your concepts. Do not go your intuition. Some students think generally without any reason, without having any reason, and put the answer. So that is by your intuition, not by your concepts. So you have to answer the question by your concepts only. Use your concepts, not by your own intuition. Okay, your thoughts should have some proper reasoning. Okay, so next, don't try to recheck whatever answer you have given. This will leads to more confused state. This is very, very important point while writing the NEET exam. So many students go to the second round and recheck the answer. They have some doubt. But once you answer the question, leave it. Don't go to recheck the answer. So if you go to recheck the answer, that will put you in the more confused state. So objective pattern, in objective pattern, rechecking is not advisable. You have to go to the second round for unknown questions, for difficult questions, but not for already answered questions. Note this point. But you can take the second round. That is for unattempted questions. That is for difficult questions, but not already answered questions. If you answer the question already, leave it. Don't recheck it. If you recheck the questions, every question looks with a different answer. Okay, so that will lead to a confused state. So don't recheck the answer. Don't recheck the answer. Okay, so and one more point is there, avoid wasting time. So don't waste the time on unknown questions and by trying 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you lose valuable time. You lose valuable time. So avoid wasting time. And a very, very, very important point, have a confidence, have control, have patience while writing the exam. And you should face each and every question with confidence, with a lot of confidence, and have control on you. While facing difficult questions, you may be disturbed. So have control. Be cool. Have control on you. Have patience on you. Okay, so have patience because some questions will be very lengthy. Some calculations will be very lengthy. So after doing all that calculation, you may lose your patience. That affects your rank, that affects your career. So you should remind that point. Or you should keep it on that mind. Okay, so have confidence, have control, and have patience while writing the exam. Okay, so going to the next point. Yeah, what is when to answer physics in the exam? When to answer physics in the exam? And what is the proper order that we have to follow? What is the proper order that we have to follow while writing the exam? So first priority, here I have given two priorities. First priority, biology. Next, chemistry. Last, physics. So I never advise do the physics first. And even though I am a physics faculty, I never advise physics first. Because if you practice physics first, you have to spend a lot of energy. You have to spend a lot of efforts. But after spending the lot of efforts, even the memory questions in biology may not be recollected. That may not be recollected. Okay, so first, better to go with biology. Next, chemistry. And last, physics. And second priority also I have given here. Some students get some fear while writing the exam, while writing the physics, while practicing the physics in the last of the exam. They get some fear to write the exam, to write the physics in the last. So for those students, there is second priority. First, write biology. Next, go with physics. Last, chemistry. That is also no problem. First priority is biology, chemistry, and physics. Second priority is biology, physics, and chemistry. One thing you should keep it in mind, that is, don't get fear. Don't get fear in the exam. Here, I would like to say one quotation here. Fear alerts you, but phobia kills you. Fear alerts you, but phobia kills you. Phobia means unnecessary fears. And if you have fear, you will be more careful during the preparation. Okay, so if you have unnecessary fears, I mean phobia kills your knowledge, kills your memory. Okay, so don't get phobia towards physics. So if you follow these tips, these methods of preparation, and follow 80-60 formula, you get the seat in a NEET very easy. Okay, you can achieve a seat, you can achieve very good rank. Minimum 140 marks you can score just by following 80-60 formula. Okay.